Hey everyone, and welcome to High Value Couponers. So today I'm here at the Hot New Printable Coupons video for this Sunday. If I sound bad, I'm sorry. I've actually been only functioning on, I haven't fell asleep until last night was 2 in the morning, and then Friday and Saturday were 3 in the morning. So really, really tired, but it's been a busy couple days. So yeah, that's kind of why I sound like I do. And my allergies, I don't understand. They're acting up really, really bad all of a sudden. It's been fine the last few days, and then lately, or it's been fine for a while, but then just last night I started getting a cough, and then today I'm got the whole sneezing and nasal congestion and all that stuff. So that's why I sound like I do. Alright, so it is always greatly appreciated if you would print these coupons using the link I'll have in the description box below. They're the same coupons you get from anywhere else, and honestly, you all have really been doing great lately with helping me with the printing, and it's so appreciative, because it really is. It's really what allows this job to continue, doing Kroger, and not doing Kroger. The printable coupons is one of the major things that allows this to continue, so yeah, please do that. So yeah, let's just dive right in. And remember, you can print each coupon twice. $5 off of 3 Colgate. That's an awesome, awesome printable coupon right there. Claritin. I need some Claritin. 60 cents off 3 SpaghettiOs. Yes, $4 off Children's Zyrtec. And speaking of that, that's what I'm exactly going to go take as soon as I finish this video. That stuff really works well. $4 on Purina Bella. 75 cents on Sargento stick cheese or string. What's the difference? Purina Bella dry dog food. More Zyrtec. Geesh. $5 off of 2 boxes of Clairol. You know what? I'm sorry. We always do this by categories. That'd probably make it easier on y'all. Okay. $1 off of Bistro Favorites. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go out of order like that. $1 on 2 Snack Factory pretzel crisps. And then 50 cents on a Kellogg's Fruit Loops birthday cake cereal. And then 50 cents off of Sweet and Low. Do we get all these? Nope, more Claritin. And then $2 off of St. Joseph's Low Dose Aspirin. Okay. Okay, we have a $3 off of Persil coupon, which is a hot one to print. It's not going to last long, so you're going to print that ASAP. We have $1 off of a Palmer's product. $3 on 2 Right Guard, Extreme Defense, or Best Dressed. That's sad. We always got Saving Star for Right Guard, and there wasn't one today. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe it's still going to come. I don't know. $3 on Neutrogena, $2 on Clairol. Okay, and then the Purina Bella, and then $1 on 2 Pepperoni. So that's it for this new printables. I hope you all enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. Please print. Please print. As many you can get to per device. You can deselect the ones you don't want. You can add in more that you do want. It's the same setup as coupons.com. So please do that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.